Hello everyone, welcome back to Android Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix hotspot is not working on your Nothing phone. So you can try these steps both in Nothing 1 as well as on latest released Nothing phone 2. You can release on both. So the first one, when you're having an issue with the hotspot, you shared a hotspot and if it's not working, the first you have to check is you have to make sure that you're having an internet connection. So if you're sharing something, you have to make sure that you're having internet connection. That is, for this you just need to, your SIM card should be having enough, you should be having the data. If you're not having the data or if it exceeds the usage of data, most probably you'll not be able to do the tethering or the hotspot. So you have to make sure that you're having enough internet package left in your SIM card. So this is a basic one. This is not actually a fix. You have to just cross-check yourself. That is what you have to do. Apart from this, we have to move to the next step. Next step is all about we have to make sure few change in the internet settings in the hotspot. That is, we have to tap over here in the settings first and get to the network and internet. Tap on the hotspot and tethering. And the first thing what you have to do is you just need to tap over here on the Wi-Fi hotspot and make sure that the Wi-Fi hotspot should be turned on. Parallelly, if you go over here, you can see turn off hotspot automatically should be turned on as well. If you turn this off, you'll be having the trouble. So make sure both the things should be turned on. You have to go back as it is, and also make sure the Wi-Fi hotspot should be, both the thing over here should be turned on. So if you turn this off, you'll be having the trouble, as well as if you hotspot is turned on, you'll be having the trouble. So just cross-check yourself whether that is done or not. Next one, apart from this all about, what we need to do is we just need to make sure that if you're having any pending updates, you have to update the OS. For this, just go over here to the settings, tap on the settings. Now from here, go to system over here at the bottom. Now tap on the system update. So right now I'm having an update, so I have to download this one, install it on here my mobile. So the same way you have to update it or else you'll be having the trouble. So keeping a habit of always keeping your Nothing phone up to date, or else you'll be having these kind of troubles. Apart from this, cross check. If you're still looking for the solution, we can try out two more steps that you have to make sure few changes in your SIM card or the network connection. For this, just go over here in the search and you have to go for the settings over here. Now from here, tap on network and internet, and from here you have to go to the SIM. Now from here in the SIM, if you go over here, you can see this, you have to tap on the data warning and limit. So make sure if the set data warning is turned on, you have to turn this off. Parallelly, if this is also turned on, you have to turn this off as well. So if both the things are turned on, you have to cross check yourself whether both the things are turned on. If the data warning is turned on and the data limit is turned on, you have to turn off both. You can turn both off, and once you turn off this, you have to go back and see whether the issue is solved or not. Apart from this, you can try with one more step, that is enabling developer option and making one single change in the developer option. That is, just go over here, go to the settings, now go over here in the bottom, go to developer option, go to the developer option here, and you have to turn this on. If this is turned on, you have to turn on the developer option. This is very important, you have to turn this on. Now from here, if you scroll down and navigate to over here, you have to make one more change under the networking. You have to make one change, that is called, you have to keep scrolling down. Over here, there is an option called mobile data always active. So most probably in all the cases will be turned off. So you have to turn this on, or you have to cross check whether this is turned on or turned off. If it is turned on, you have to turn it on, or if it is turned off completely, you have to turn it on as well. So these are the possible workaround which can be done when you're having an issue with hotspot is not working on Nothing phone. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.